Welcome to our testing and FAT area. Here we ensure that our UPS and STS systems meet customer specifications under typical installation conditions, such as those found in data centers and other critical applications.
The factory acceptance test is a crucial step in improving the reliability and performance of our systems. With decades of expertise, we offer comprehensive FAT services in a dedicated infrastructure. We ensure our UPS and STS perform optimally by recreating both normal and critical conditions.
This area is part of a major project aiming at enhancing our testing capabilities for high-power application. It is equipped with cutting-edge technology, integrating solutions like busbar, electrical panels, and cast-raising transformers. This setup allows customers to witness FAT in the environment that closely simulates the real-world installation, from the transformer to the UPS and downstream distribution, reflecting the full power change by Legrand. We embrace a sustainable approach by using the regenerative function of our latest UPS, reducing energy consumption. This way, can we save up to 95% of the energy typically consumed during testing.
Combining expertise and reliability to deliver power solutions tailored to your needs.